Welcome to this brief introduction to Google Earth Engine. I will take you through the layout of Google Earth Engine, how to search for data, how the different tools are laid out. This will just be a brief introduction. There will be a detailed documentation on how to perform different tasks in Google Earth Engine. Welcome. To access Google Earth Engine, we'll use the URL code.earthengine.google.com in our web browser. So we'll start our browser, preferably Chrome. Then we'll use the address, which is code.earthengine.google.com. This will take you to a page where you need to sign in using your registered Google Earth account. And this is where you can manipulate different codes. You can search for data, you can run your applications here. So I'll take you through the different layouts of this page or this platform. So this is the code editor. This is where you type in your code. For example, I'll try and write a simple code, and I will declare my code as variable. And since this particular variable is a string, I will have it in quotation marks. Semicolon at the end. Then I will print my result. So to run a simple code, once you've typed the code that you want to run, you click on the run button. So you type, this is where you type your code. It's called the script, the code editor. You can save your code and give it your desired name, but we'll start with just running this simple code first, then understand the platform, then you can try and save a code, then look at other areas of this platform. So once you run your code, the console will display any output that has been that you've commanded your code to print. So it will be displayed in the console. When you have any activities that you want to either export or upload, they will be displayed under this toolbar, which is task toolbar. Inspector bar is where you will be inspecting your output, the different outputs that you are running in your code. So we can save this code, and you will have to specify your path where you want to save your code. I'll name this code. So this will go to your left panel. This is where you access any script that you have saved or any script that has been shared with you, or any script that you are a reader or a writer. There is also a document menu or a docs menu. This is where you can access the different Google Earth Engine algorithms that perform different tasks. You can have the date algorithms here. You can access the different models, reducing algorithms under this. And we have the assets window also, or the asset pane. This is where you can upload the different data sets that you want. You can upload a GeoTIFF or a TIFF file. You can upload shape files. You can upload comma separated values, CSV files. Yes, or a folder or an image collection. And this down here is the map area. Once you have declared in your code that you want to add map to this layout, you can inspect your layout using a second menu that will come here. It's called a map, a layout inspector, or a layer manager, sorry. So this is where you'll be inspecting the different layers that you've added to your map. We also have a geometry tool here. We have a zoom tool. We have the hand tool that is used to pan around or move around the map. We have an add marker that adds a point data onto your map and adds it as an input to your script. You also have the line tool that can draw the different lines that you want. We also have a polygon tool that draws a polygon of your desired shape within your desired area. And we also have a rectangle tool that will draw a rectangle of your desired size or on the area that you want. Then we have this search data area. This is where you can search the different data sets that are available on Google Earth Engine. So for example, we can search SRTM. So this will return any DEM that is uploaded on Google Earth Engine, and we can import that data. So once you import a data set, it will come under this just above your code or your script as an import asset. You can give it the desired name when you're working with the different data sets. All your geometries, lines, polygons, and points will also be imported here. So you can rename them depending on the needs that you want. So basically, that is the layout and how to work with the different tools within Google Earth Engine. Thank you for your time.